Hello, I'm Mr. Smith and this is Learn to Code. And in this video we're going to learn how to generate some random numbers. Consistent and predictable results is what every programmer wants, right? Well, maybe not. If you're programming games, this would make the games quite boring quite quickly. Sometimes we want our programs to be unpredictable because that will make them more exciting. Random numbers will help give us this unpredictability, and it's easy to create random numbers in Python. Here's an example. The temperature is 61 degrees. The temperature is 80 degrees. The temperature is 93 degrees. The temperature is 86 degrees. Okay, so you get the idea. There's a random number. And it's got quite a range. Okay, let's have a look. How did we generate that random number? Code. So first thing we did, we imported the random module. Think of it like optional extras for a car. Okay, this is just optional extras for Python. So then we've assigned a variable called firstNumber, which is equal to random.randint brackets 1, 100 brackets. So what this line does is this. This is obviously the variable, and the equals means it's going to be assigned a value. The value is asking for the random features, and then within random features to create a random integer. So a random whole number. And then inside the brackets, we just define the range of those numbers. So in this case, including 1 to 100. So anywhere between 1 and 100. The final line prints the string. The temperature is %s, this is a placeholder, degrees C. And the placeholder is replaced with the value from the first number. Now there is another way that we can define our random numbers, and I'm just going to make a new variable underneath so that you can see the difference. Rand range is what we need, and in this case we can just give it one value. Now what this one does is it creates a random whole number between 0 and, in this case, 99. Now it won't include 100 because what it's saying is give me any random number within a range of 100 different values, and the computer starts at 0, so it goes up to 99. If we wanted it to be inclusive of 100, we would just add 1 like that. Okay, so let's see what that does. Okay, so 76 degrees. What I do need to do is just change this here to second number. Run it again. There you go. So you can see it's still working. So 99. Probably take me a while to get 100. Anyway, you get the idea. So this is what I'd like you to try and do. You're going to try and create a simple dice game. The idea of the dice game is that the player rolls the 2 dice and the dice are added up for a total score. Okay, try it with both versions of the random number generating ideas. So either the randint and the rand range. Okay, and see what happens. You can choose 6-sided, 10-sided, 12-sided, whatever sided dice you want. After all, it's a computer, so it can be anything you want. Alright, give it a go.